Learn 20 plus informal English words and phrases for daily use. No worries. Meaning, it's okay. Don't worry about it. That's not a problem. Thanks for waiting. No worries at all. Sorry, I forgot to reply. No worries. I'm good. Meaning, I'm okay. I don't need anything. I'm fine. Want another drink? Nah, I'm good. Thanks. Do you need help? No, I'm good. You bet. Meaning, definitely, of course. Will you be there tomorrow? You bet. Thanks for helping. You bet. Anytime. I'm all ears. Meaning, I'm listening carefully. I'm paying full attention. Tell me everything. I'm all ears. You have a story? I'm all ears. That's nuts. Meaning, that's crazy, unbelievable, or hard to understand. He spent $500 on a phone case? That's nuts. You quit your job without a plan? That's nuts. No biggie. Meaning, it's not a big problem, it's not a big deal. You spilled the juice? No biggie. Sorry for the delay. No biggie. Hang on a sec. Meaning, wait a moment. Give me a moment. Hang on a sec. I'll grab my bag. Hang on a sec. I think I heard something. Let's catch up. Meaning, let's reconnect and talk, usually after not seeing or speaking to someone for a while. It's been ages. We need to catch up soon. Let's catch up over coffee this weekend. I'm in. Meaning, I agree, I want to join, I'm part of it. We're starting a study group, are you in? Movie night at my place. Who's in? I'm out. Meaning, I'm not joining, I'm done, I'm leaving. This game's boring. I'm out. It's getting late. I'm out. See you tomorrow. Sounds good. Meaning, that's okay. I agree. I like that idea. Let's meet at 5. Sounds good. We'll order pizza tonight. Sounds good to me. I'm beat. Meaning, I'm very tired or I'm exhausted. That workout was intense. I'm beat. After the long day at work, I'm totally beat. You nailed it. Meaning, you did it perfectly, you did an excellent job. Wow, that presentation was flawless, you nailed it. You nailed the test, didn't you? I'm down. Meaning, I'm interested, I want to do it, I agree. Road trip this weekend? I'm down. If everyone's going, I'm down too. It's up to you. Meaning, you decide, it's your choice. Pizza or burgers? It's up to you. We can stay or leave, totally up to you. Give me a sec. Meaning, wait a moment, I need a short time. Give me a sec, I'll be right there. Give me a sec to grab my phone. What are you up to? Meaning, what are you doing? What's your plan? What are you up to right now? Hey, what are you up to this weekend? I'm starving. Meaning, I'm very hungry. I skipped lunch. I'm starving. Let's eat soon, I'm starving over here. I'm broke. Meaning, I have no money. I can't go shopping, I'm totally broke. I'd love to come, but I'm broke right now. No way. Meaning, really? That's hard to believe. He quit his job? No way. No way. That can't be true. Fingers crossed. Meaning, hoping for good luck or a good result. I've got my interview tomorrow. Fingers crossed. My exam results come out today. Fingers crossed for good news. You got this. Meaning, you can do it, you can succeed. Good luck on your test, you got this. Just be confident. You got this. Take it easy. Meaning, relax, stay calm, or goodbye. No worries, just take it easy. Take it easy, man. See you tomorrow. I've got to go. All right, take it easy. Don't sweat it. Meaning, don't worry about it. Forgot your homework? Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it, everything will be fine.